Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmakar, and today's date is 23 November 2021, and today's video topic is inheritance. So, we will see in that video what is the inheritance, types of inheritance, and few example of types of inheritance, and what is extended keywords, uh, which type of not use in inheritance, and what types of in use of inheritance. So let's see what is the inheritance. So inheritance is a mechanism in which uh, uh, object is one object acquires all properties and behaviors to a parent object. It is known as inheritance. Uh, Inheritance. The idea behind inheritance. mm, the idea behind inheritance in a Java, that you can create new classes that are built upon exiting classes, and we are when you are use exiting class, you can reuse a method and field in our method, and we are also use of field and method in our current class. So inheritance is a uh, relationship, which is a relationship, which means is a uh, parent child class. A few terms used in a inheritance. First one is a class. So class is a object, group of object which have common properties. Or class is a blueprint of a object. Second one is a subclass. Subclass mean a child means or a child class. Subclass is a class which inherits a other class. It is also known as a derived class, child class, uh, and third one is a superclass or a parent class. A superclass is a class from where a subclass inherits features. Mm, It is also called as a base class and parent class. So these are the three types of three features in a inheritance. So uh, let's see extend keywords. So what is the extend keywords? It is indicate we are create a new class. You are create a new class that are derived from exiting class. And extended, the meaning of extended keyword, that is a increase of a functionality. It is known as extended keyword. So let's move to types of inheritance. So today we see types of inheritance. Let's see on a basis of a class. There are three types of inheritance. First one is a hierarchical. First one is a single inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance, and third one is a hierarchical inheritance. So we will see the three types, and later than we will see hybrid and multiple inheritance that are not support of a Java, that is used in a interface. So first one is a single inheritance. So what is a single inheritance? A single inheritance is a uh, class that inherits another class is known as a single inheritance. Suppose we will take an example of a single inheritance. First one is we create a class that name is A, and we will take a method in that class. So method name is a method first, and we will create a second class that name is a B, and that's method, and that's class. In that class we will create a method, that method name is method 2, and another create a main method. We are create a main method. In that we will create a object that is um, name is class B, and we will write here to B uh, is B is equal to new capital B, uh, to uh, to display a method we will write here to B dot method name, and in second B dot method name. So this is the example of a single inheritance. So let's we see a second type, that are multi-level inheritance. A multi-level inheritance in which it is a chain of a uh, chain of inheritance, that it is not it's known as a multi-level inheritance. So in its we are uh, see example of a multi-level inheritance. Suppose we create a class that name is A. In that we create a method name is a method first, and in that method we will print um, parent, and we will create a new class that's name is a B. We will create a method, that's method name is a method 2, and we will create in that uh, child, and we'll create another class that's name is a C, and in that C we'll create a method name is a 3, and in that method we will print a child 2. So so let's create a main method. In that main method we'll create an object, that's object name is C, class is equal to new C, and we will display a method that is c dot method name, that is method 3, c dot method 2, c dot method 1. So these are the example of multi-level inheritance. uh, multi third third one is a multiple third one is a hierarchical inheritance. In that uh, a hierarchical inheritance which is uh, one class, uh, sorry two in that two or more classes inherits a single class, that is known it is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Suppose we will take an example of a hierarchical inheritance. In that we will create a first class that our name is that is name is a. In that we create a method in that method we will print parent. Second one is a second class. We are create a second class that name is a b. In that method in that class we will create a method. The method name is a method 2. uh, we will print in that method is child 2, and with child class b is extend with the class a, and third class is a class c. Class c is extended with class a, and we will create in that method name is 3, and we will uh, print we will print in that method is child 2. So we will create a method name is a we will create a main method name is a whatever. So in that main method we will create object, that's object name is a c, and to display a method. And second we will create a new object, that's method name is a b, and we will print a display print out display method. So these are the example of a hierarchical inheritance. So three types are that is the three types of inheritance that are used in a Java. So multiple inheritance in a Java is not supported in a Java. So why should multiple inheritance why should not support multiple inheritance in a Java? In a multiple inheritance, to reduce the complexity and simplify a language uh, is not supported. Simplify language multi-level are not supported. That's why multiple inheritance are not supported in Java. So last one is a hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of hierarchical and multi-level inheritance. So these are the five types in inheritance. So thank you.